Okay, when 21 is subtracted from 5 times a certain number, the result is 94. What is the number? Okay, so we want to translate this to an equation. So 21 is subtracted from 5 times a certain number. So again, if you have a hard time sort of dealing with abstract, we want to maybe connect this certain number with an actual number. So let's say if 21 is subtracted from 5 times 100, which just makes the math easy. If 21 is subtracted from 5 times 100, so that'd be 5 times 100, the result, whoop, I didn't subtract 21 from it, minus 21 is 94. So the 21 is subtracted from 5 times a number, I just made that number up, the result is 94. Now I could keep just picking numbers until I found one that worked, but we want to develop a strategy for coming up with an equation for these, right? So again, with the number we made up, again, we just made him up, we introduce our variable. X is as good as another one in this case, so we'll say 5x minus 21 is 94. And now we solve for x. We'll add 21 to both sides. So the left-hand side, what am I left with? Just a 5x. The right-hand side, I've got 515. One more step. 5x is 115. How do I get rid of this 5 here? Divide both sides by 5. And so what's x going to be equal to? 115 over 5, but we want to simplify that. In fact, I know 5 goes into 115 evenly. So that's going to be, 5 goes into that, what, 23 times? So x is 23. And then you can look back to make sure this makes sense. When 21 is subtracted from 5 times a certain number, the result is 94. So it's 5 times 23. And then subtract 21, is that 94? I think you'll see that it is. So that'll be 115 minus 21, which is indeed 94. So always check these when they are checkable. Sometimes they're not. Or if the checking is a lot harder than the actual solving, it's worth checking still, but you may have made a mistake in your checking. So that's up to you.